Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get University Student Apple Music. First, let's understand what this special offer entails. This fantastic offer provides a significant discount on your Apple Music subscription, making it much more affordable for students. You can enjoy all the features, including millions of songs, ad-free listening, and offline downloads at a reduced price. To qualify, you need to be currently enrolled in a degree-granting university or college and verify your student status through Uni Days. This discount can last for up to 48 months, giving you 4 full years of savings. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to sign up. Begin by opening the Apple Music app on your device or navigating to the Apple Music website. When you choose a subscription plan, make sure to select the student option. You'll then be seamlessly redirected to the Uni Days platform, where you'll input your university information and use your official university email to verify your enrollment. This process is quick and ensures you get access to your discounted rate without delay. To ensure you continue enjoying your student discount, an annual re-verification of your student status is necessary. Apple Music will proactively send you reminders when it's time to complete this process, typically through email or in-app notifications. You'll simply follow the provided link to Uni Days again and confirm your current enrollment. It's a straightforward step to keep your savings going. If for any reason re-verification isn't completed, your plan will automatically transition to a standard individual subscription. Beyond the substantial savings on your music subscription, the Apple Music student discount comes with an exciting bonus: complimentary access to Apple TV+. This means you get to enjoy award-winning shows and movies in addition to your vast music library, all for one reduced price. It's a fantastic way to access millions of songs, discover new artists, and stream exclusive content without breaking the bank. Take advantage of this incredible offer to enhance your entertainment experience throughout your university journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.